A clear view of the load is important during crane operation. This view is often obstructed, which can lead to safety-related problems. In such cases, the operator must depend on acoustic directions or hand signals from the signal person. This reduces precision and slows down the work progress. Using the radio remote control from Liebherr, the operation of all crane movements can be transferred from the operator's cab to a second operator outside the cab. The person with the remote control assumes control of the crane. This system offers huge advantages, especially when lifting a load to a concealed position over an edge. For example, during construction of a multi-story building. The crane operator can lift the load, but does not have to transfer it to a position which is not within his field of vision. The person using the remote control has a good view of the unloading point and can take over the crane control and position the load. This increases safety during lifting work. The operator in the cab has the advantage that he does not need to position loads in blind spots. Communication errors between the crane operator and signal person are eliminated, as an authorized operator with a view of the load and the unloading point can safely position the load. After the load has been positioned, crane control is returned to the operator in the cab. The radio remote control complies with all common standards and is available for all Liebherr crawler cranes of the LR series up to 300 tons.